Welcome to the future where technical industries are reshaping the world as we know it. Artificial intelligence and robotics will drive the next wave of innovation, making our lives smarter, safer, and more efficient. Augmented and virtual reality will revolutionize how we design, create, and experience the world around us. Manufacturing will be transformed by advanced automation and three-dimensional printing, leading to faster production and unprecedented customization. Renewable energy technologies will power our cities sustainably, reducing our carbon footprint and ensuring a cleaner future. Healthcare will be revolutionized by biotechnology and AI, offering personalized treatments and extending human longevity. Transportation will become faster and more efficient, with hyperloop systems and autonomous vehicles connecting us like never before. At the heart of these advancements are visionary thinkers and doers, working together to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of technical industries is here. It's innovative, it's sustainable, and it's driven by the limitless potential of human ingenuity. The future is now. Be a part of the revolution.